Our mission here at SMTC is simple. We want to train and educate our strength maintenance force so they can go out and operate in the complex recruiting environment. To do so, we need to arm you with the capabilities and the tools to perform your job. The goal of the staff and faculty here at SMTC is to prepare you for the exciting job as an Army National Guard recruiter. We want to train and educate you so that you can be capable, adaptable, and competent leader and distinguish yourself while you're out there performing your duties, recruiting our nation's most precious resource, and that's our people. This course will be challenging both mentally and physically, and upon your completion, we expect nothing but great things from you. We wish you the best of luck in your endeavors now and in the future.
At the Restore, it's a different variety of things, so we get all types of items that come in. So anything that can be in a house, you're going to be able to find it here at the Restore.
No, that's fine. I really was just kidding. No, that's fine. I'll take it and go on back. Did you see that? Putting them to work.
Army guys came in through here and we're having them for volunteer. We have mattresses that have to be taken upstairs and sanitized before they can be sold to the public. The fumes get really strong and a lot of people get lightheaded from it. So we do it upstairs, that way it dissipates before it comes down to everybody else. It is very impressive. Usually that's a job for like 2 or 3 of us at one time. We're moving one mattress at a time. So this, having enough people to do a line is very, very helpful. They have been moving exceptionally fast and really helping us out. Usually we only have like a few people on hand at a time.
Congratulations are definitely in order to you, big brother. To say that we are proud of you is a complete understatement. Retirement is a huge accomplishment, and your baby sis and nephew thinks it looks great on you. So, in the words of the legendary R&B soul group, Kool and the Gang, we're gonna celebrate and have a good time. We love you. Congratulations on your retirement, Big Chief.
Congratulations, Uncle Chief.
In all my dealings, both in uniform and outside of uniform, I've ran into a lot of leaders. And one thing I've learned, that a good leader is not just those in uniform, but all those who take to heart and all the duties and responsibilities that they invoke when they're put in charge of people. People are people, inside a uniform and outside of that uniform. And oftentimes we tend to not take that in consideration. I've come to watch and observe, and I would say he has all those qualities. His leadership here at the SMTC has been nothing less than outstanding. I not only wish him the best, but I hope that he would take all of those skills and abilities that he's learned and he's accumulated in running a military organization and apply those to all the things that his future will have in store for him as leaving a likewise organization on the civilian sector. You'll be as successful in the commercial world as you were in military if you remember all your military training and all the examples and the people you've led and the subordinate leaders who you've trained and taught. I have no doubts you'll be as successful in the civilian world as you have been in the military. I wish you the best of luck and love. And remember, if you ever need any help for anything, give us a call.
So I just want to say thank you for opening the SMTC family up to some non-National Guard folks. I appreciate the opportunity to come here and instill some wisdom into some of the future of R&R. And I really appreciate making this a family atmosphere.
Appreciate everything you've done for us. You've been a great leader. Been together for a few years now. I knew you when I was MEPS guidance counselor. You were at the Rock. But I just wanted to say congratulations on your retirement. I'm right behind you.
Hey, congratulations. This is Brother Nate, aka my sergeant name. Just want to say to Major Woodard, aka C, congratulations on your retirement. So you did a great job. I know you've been really good partners and boys. I still got you. Always. Joint major in Douglas High School. I want you to continue to pursue your dreams outside this military life. Sir, when you ready to come over to the DoD world, I got you. We got that GS-13 waiting for you. Best of luck to you and your family. We love you. Take care. Congratulations.
In finding a major that would talk to you and not through you, very, very much of a relief, I think. So for me personally, he was able to redeem, but then also gave me so much more respect for not just the pay grade, but the rank as well. And I feel privileged for the past 13 months working with him and under his charge, even as a former Marine, and I can think back on that 13 months with pride.
I just wanted to congratulate you on your happy retirement, and I just wanted to say thank you for all the effort that you put into the IMI team. And while I've been here only a few short months, you have made a huge impact in my life and the rest of us at SMTC.
I've worked for you for almost 2 years. It's been a good 2 years. I've learned a whole lot. You've taught me a whole lot. I wish you all the best in the world. I know you've got great endeavors and high aspirations. I know you're going to do well no matter where you land.
Major Woodard, first I would like to thank you for coming into our lives. Thank you for serving and protecting our country for 29 years. Thank you for putting your life on the line for our freedom. Now you can physically, mentally, and emotionally be home with your family. I love you, and congratulations on your retirement.
I have a certain level of respect for you as a leader in being here at SMTC. There's been some things at SMTC that, while I've been here, I might not be the biggest fan of, but I've always been a fan of yours, and there's a lot of respect. I hope for a lot of success for you in the future. And just keep being you, because wherever you are, I'm sure that you're going to be an asset to that situation.
You've been one of the best officers I've ever had to work with. Sir, I pray for you and your family during this transition. I hope that you find a hobby. I hope that you're able to make up lost time with your family, and your retirement is as good as it can be.
You've actually been the only commander that I've had on my Title 10 journey, and I have to say that you truly impressed me in your time here at SMTC. I haven't been in your office very many times, but the times that I have walked out with a wealth of knowledge and a better person. So truly, from the bottom of my heart, sir, thank you for everything.
Hey, CW. Congratulations on your retirement. I remember when you were a cadet just trying to make decisions. I know this journey hasn't been easy, but well worth it. And we're all very proud of you as you transition into your next one. Love you, brother.
What can I say? I have you set up to do these Facebook Live graduations. First time we did one, you were so nervous and things, but you have this really spunky attitude like, I'm first take. When you have to be on, you're on. And we used to say, well, you just need your smoking jacket, your Facebook Live lounging red smoking jacket. I used to love when you'd come over and we'd do a graduation and things, you'd peek over my shoulder and says, how many people we got viewing now? Really? How many people we got? You think we could add a few more cameras here? You've been a pleasure, genuinely, to work with. I'm really gonna miss you. And I wish you good luck on your next endeavor and things, but I'm sure you'll be good at that as you were here, and I want you to come back and see us.
And congratulate you on your 20 years of service. I just wanted to tell you that I appreciate all the encouragement that you gave me over the years. Situation there when I was at NGB and trying to come to the center, I would not be in the current position as 5th on the Sergeant Major list if it was not have been for your guidance. And then more personally, I appreciate what you did for me during the rough time here the past year with my going through my divorce, and the counsel that you have given me. Will always admire you as a commander and as a major, but also admire you as a man, sir.
Hi, son, my number one. Congratulations, you finally did it. Words cannot express how proud I am of you. But guess what? There are still more great things ahead for you, so you keep pushing. I love you. Mwah.
Hey, Major Woodard, I want to congratulate you on retiring from the military for 29 years. And I want to thank you for your service. And I can't wait for you to be home.
You know, first off, I just want to say thank you for helping me get here. I like the story that you tell about the packet and that it turned out to be a good investment on behalf of the center. So whatever your journey you're going on and whatever's next for you, I hope that it is exactly how you want it to be.
It's sad to see you go. I've known you for a lot of years, since 2014, yeah, up at National Guard Bureau. I worked the recruiting standards branch, and then you were over in the ROB. And I remember back then, I had an issue with a soldier that you gave me some very good guidance on. I still leaned on you as a leader and a mentor. You are the kind of officer that NCOs dream of having as a commander, especially when it comes to making tough leadership decisions. I always sought out your guidance and your words of wisdom. I paid attention to your words because words matter, and you taught me that. And I learned from your temperaments and your body language and the words you articulated how important it is when you speak with soldiers to ensure that you come across in a compassionate, caring, and empathetic way. There was many times you had to talk me off the ledge because you know I tend to be a little more emotionally reactive at times. But I always knew at the end of the day, the words of wisdom you gave me were solid. You are a true man, you're a true leader, and I'm thankful that I've had the opportunity to serve with you, sir.
Congratulations on your retirement, Dad.
Hi, Chief. This is Grandma. Congratulations on your retirement. Now we in the same boat. So boogie together. Grandma love you.
I hope that everything from here on is amazing for you and your family, and I hope you have plenty of time to catch up on lost time you've had with them. And also I just want to say thank you so much for your dedication to us as a training center and as your subordinates. It's been an honor serving with you and having someone that I knew had my back. I'm one of those people who kind of change from day to day where I'm going to go in the future. I feel like you were always there being supportive of anything that I felt like I wanted to do, whether it was further in education or looking into a new career, AGR, etc. It really has meant a lot.
Hey, sir. I wanted to tell you congratulations on your retirement. I know you hear this all the time. You are such a great leader. Now, I can tell you for sure that nobody is more excited than me for you to come home and lead your household. I love you. See you soon.
Next level, congratulations, Los, on your retirement, my man. That's what's up. Walked it down, ready to step into that next phase. All the while, my man, took your fitness to the next level. It's been a pleasure knowing you these years. I appreciate the support you've been giving me, man. The representation for the community. Unparalleled, boss. That's what's up. Now it's ready to step into that next phase of life and continue to take it to the next level.
First of all, let me say that Mr. Manuel made me wear a hat so that these lights wouldn't be causing problems off the dome. But what to say about Major Woodard? I believe the first all-call we had with Major Woodard, after it was over, I pulled him aside and I said, "Sir, could I have a word with you?" He said, "Sure." I said, "You went a little long there. From now on, I'm going to have to ask you to keep it short. There's only two things people want to know from you is we're doing a great job and pop smoke." And you laughed and I said, "Okay, we'll be all right." His network connection quit working in his office. Well, he went somewhere and left me to do my thing. I ran a network cable over his clothes rack, through his blinds in his windows, both windows, across his desk. He comes in, I'm sitting on the couch. He says, "Did you get it fixed?" I said, "Well, of course I did." He sits down, logs into his computer, and then realizes he's got a cable running across his office. He said,
"What the hell am I looking at?"
"What the hell am I looking at? Looks like I'm stealing power in the projects." So, we've had a pretty good relationship. I've enjoyed working with him. I'll just let you know we appreciate you here.
You're at the end of the road, the end of the line, last stop on the train. You've completed your journey, and we are proud of you for doing so. I remember when this journey began, and none of us knew how long it would last and didn't know the places it would take you, but here we are. We just like to tell you we're proud of you. We can't wait to see you back home. Your niece is waiting to spend some more time with you, and with that, we all say congratulations.
Hey, big brother. I have been looking so forward to this day. I know it's been a long road, but you made it. You've always had the makings of a good leader, and I can't wait to see what you'll do next. I'm proud of you. I love you. Happy retirement, and I cannot wait till you come home.